In life, there exists a gentle yet potent force that shapes our experiences and perceptions, the energy of our inner vibration. Hello and welcome back, fellow seekers, to a journey of self-discovery and cosmic exploration. Today, we delve into the profound realms of raising our vibration, a transformative path often overlooked in our quest for understanding. We'll unlock the secrets of this remarkable journey, where each step leads us closer to a reality filled with enlightenment, healing, and connection with the cosmos. 1. The path unveiled. In our daily lives, we tend to focus on what we can see and touch, like the people around us, the food we eat, and the things we buy. But there's something more subtle, something deeper that exists within each of us. It's called our inner vibration. Think of it as the energy that flows through us, influencing how we feel and perceive the world around us. Now you might be wondering, why does this inner vibration matter? Well, imagine it as a key to unlocking hidden doors to realms of existence beyond our usual perception. By understanding and elevating our inner vibration, we can tap into these unseen dimensions of reality, discovering new depths of ourselves and the world. But embarking on this journey isn't like taking a leisurely walk in the park. It's more like setting sail on an epic adventure into the unknown territories of our own being. Along the way, we encounter challenges and obstacles, but also moments of profound insight and growth. It's a journey of self-discovery and transformation, where we learn to navigate the currents of our inner world with courage and curiosity. 2. Embracing the challenges. This story isn't like taking a stroll in the park. It's more like setting sail on a wild ocean, where you're bound to face storms and turbulent waves. It's not easy, and it's not for those who scare easily. Along the way, you'll encounter obstacles that might make you want to turn back, but it's important to keep pushing forward. However, if you're willing to face these challenges head-on and embrace the uncertainty, you'll discover something extraordinary within yourself. It's like digging deep into the ground to find hidden treasures. As you navigate through the darkness, you'll also find glimpses of light. This journey isn't just about overcoming obstacles. It's about finding balance between the tough times and the moments of clarity. Ultimately, it's a test of your resilience and determination. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone and venturing into the unknown. And while it may not always be easy, the rewards of self-discovery and personal growth make it all worth it in the end. So if you're up for the challenge, buckle up and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. 3. Philosophical foundations. When we think about ancient wisdom, it's like taking a journey back in time to meet people like Socrates. He was a thinker who asked lots of questions, encouraging people to really think about their lives and what they believed. This idea of looking inside yourself, sort of like peering into a mirror of your own thoughts and feelings, is a bit like what Socrates did. He wanted people to engage in self-examination, to really think deeply about who they were and what they stood for. This idea of self-examination isn't just something from the past. It's still really important today. Imagine looking at yourself in a mirror not just to see what's on the outside, but to understand what's on the inside too. It's like shining a light on the parts of yourself you might not always want to see, your fears, doubts, and insecurities. This can be a bit scary, confronting those inner shadows, but it's also really powerful. It's like unlocking a door to understanding yourself better. When we talk about existentialism, it's a big word, but it's actually all about asking questions like, what's the meaning of life? And who am I really? But by embracing introspection, by really thinking about these questions and how they relate to our own lives, we can start to find our own answers. It's like going on an adventure within ourselves, exploring the depths of our own thoughts and feelings. So, whether it's through the teachings of Socrates or the ideas of existentialism, the journey of self-discovery is all about embracing the power of looking within. 4. Cosmic harmony. Imagine yourself as a tiny seed, like a speck of dust, in a vast field of possibilities. That's you in the grand scheme of the universe, just a small part of something much bigger. Now think about a mustard seed, so small yet full of potential. This is where the parable of the mustard seed comes in, a simple story that teaches us profound lessons. It tells us that from something as tiny as a mustard seed, greatness can grow. Now let's apply this to our journey in life. Every little step we take, every decision we make, is like watering that seed within us. It's about nurturing our potential, our spirit, and our connection to the universe. Each time we choose kindness over anger, love over hate, or understanding over judgment, we're adding drops of water to that seed, helping it grow. But here's the beautiful part. Our journey isn't just about us. It's about how our energy, our actions, ripple out and affect the world around us. When we elevate our vibration, when we choose positivity and growth, it's not just for our benefit. It's like we're sending out waves of light and love into the universe, uplifting not only ourselves, but also the collective consciousness of all living beings. So, as we walk this path of self-discovery and growth, let's remember the power we hold within us. Let's be mindful of the energy we're putting out into the world and strive to make it a little brighter, a little more loving with each step we take. For in this interconnected dance of life, our journey is not solitary, but intertwined with the very essence of existence itself. 5. Facing trials. In life, we often find ourselves faced with unexpected challenges, just like in the stories we've heard since we were little. You know, like the one about the prodigal son who had to overcome many obstacles on his journey back home. These challenges might seem tough at first, but they're like little tests from the universe, pushing us to grow and become better versions of ourselves. Think of these challenges as opportunities for learning and development. Each one teaches us something valuable, like how to be patient, how to be strong, or how to be kind. It's like the universe is saying, hey, I believe in you, and I know you can handle this. So we face these trials head-on, armed with the lessons we've picked up along the way. But here's the thing. Sometimes these challenges come out of nowhere, catching us off guard. It's like the universe is testing our resilience and determination. Will we crumble under pressure, or will we stand tall and face whatever comes our way? It's up to us to show what we're made of, to demonstrate the strength and wisdom we've gained on our spiritual journey. So, the next time life throws you a curveball, remember the story of the prodigal son and the lessons it teaches. Embrace the challenge as an opportunity for growth, and face it with courage and determination. After all, you've got everything you need to succeed. You just have to believe in yourself. 6. Embracing change. As we journey through life, we encounter changes big and small. Sometimes these changes can feel overwhelming, like the ground beneath our feet is shifting. Just like the seasons change and the tides ebb and flow, our lives are constantly in motion. Think of it like rearranging the furniture in your room. At first, it might feel strange and unfamiliar, but soon you realize that the new layout actually works better for you. As we evolve and grow, our relationships and careers may also transform. Old friendships may drift away, making space for new connections that resonate with who we are becoming. Similarly, our careers may take unexpected turns, leading us down paths we never imagined. Instead of resisting these changes, we can choose to see them as opportunities for growth and expansion. So, the next time life throws you a curveball, remember to embrace it with an open heart and mind. Trust that these cosmic rearrangements are guiding you toward a life that is more aligned with your true self and your higher purpose. Embrace the change and watch as new doors open and new adventures unfold. 7. Letting go and embracing solitude. In our journey of life, there comes a time when we must release the old things that weigh us down. This act of letting go isn't just about clearing out physical clutter. It's also about freeing our minds and spirits from unnecessary burdens. Many spiritual teachings from different traditions encourage this process of detachment, suggesting that by relinquishing attachment to material possessions and past experiences, we can find a deeper sense of inner peace and fulfillment. When we embrace solitude, we create a sacred space for self-reflection and growth. This solitude doesn't necessarily mean being physically alone. It's about carving out moments of introspection and quiet contemplation amidst the noise of everyday life. In these moments, we can delve into the depths of our souls, examining our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with honesty and clarity. By doing so, we open ourselves up to profound insights and revelations, allowing us to forge a stronger connection with our spiritual essence. Attachment and introspection, we come to realize that our true essence transcends the material world. We begin to understand that our worth isn't determined by external possessions or accomplishments, but by the richness of our inner being. This shift in perspective enables us to cultivate a deeper sense of gratitude for the simple joys of life and a greater appreciation for the interconnectedness of all things. Ultimately, by letting go of the old and embracing the sacred solitude within, we embark on a transformative journey toward greater spiritual awareness and alignment with the divine. 8. Ego dissolution. In the adventure of self-discovery, tackling the ego stands out as a pivotal moment. It's like peeling an onion, taking off one layer at a time to uncover your true essence underneath. Imagine your ego as a protective shield that you've built around yourself over time. It's not necessarily a bad thing. It's just something that tends to cloud our perception of reality. By confronting this ego, you're essentially dismantling that shield, allowing yourself to see the world and your place in it with newfound clarity. As you delve deeper into this process, you start to realize that your ego isn't the real you. It's like a mask you wear, a facade that you present to the world based on societal expectations, past experiences, and desires. But beneath that mask lies your authentic self, untainted by external influences. It's the part of you that exists beyond labels, beyond judgments, beyond the constraints of the mind. When you strip away the layers of ego, you're essentially reconnecting with this authentic self, allowing it to shine through and guide your actions. This journey isn't just about self-improvement. It's about aligning yourself with the greater cosmic dance of existence. Each of us is like a note in the universal symphony, playing our part in the grand composition of life. When you confront the ego and embrace your authentic self, you're harmonizing with this cosmic melody, finding your place within the intricate web of creation. It's a profound experience that brings a sense of freedom and unity, dissolving the illusion of separation and allowing you to connect with the interconnectedness of all things. In this state of alignment, you become a co-creator of reality, dancing in rhythm with the universe itself. 9. Embracing the journey. Our adventure isn't just about getting somewhere specific. It's about enjoying every step of the way, discovering amazing things about ourselves and the world around us. It's like going on a really cool journey, where the journey itself is the main attraction, not just the place you end up. Think of it like dancing under the stars, feeling the rhythm of the universe in every step. It's about letting yourself be part of something bigger, connecting with the energy that flows through everything. When we embrace this dance of self-discovery, we open ourselves up to endless possibilities and surprises. So let's take this journey together, hand in hand, exploring the depths of our souls and the vastness of the cosmos. Let's raise our spirits high and let our positive vibes ripple out into the universe, making everything around us a little brighter and more beautiful. Join me in this cosmic dance, and let's see where the music takes us. Thank you for staying with us till the end of this video. If this message resonated with you, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Your thoughts, reflections, and personal experiences are invaluable contributions to our collective understanding. Until next time, may your journey be filled with cosmic harmony and profound self-discovery.